Hi guys, it's me again, Tori. Today I'm gonna be recreating this look in Egypt edition because right now I'm at the hotel in Matruh. I just got into Egypt like 3 days ago. The first day I was in Cairo, and today I'm in Mascara. Let's get started. So first off, prep my skin with Clinique. Sunscreen from Shiseido Anessa. It's SPF 50 plus, PA plus 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 plus. It's like 4 pluses. This one is saved my life. Really good, and it's so light on your skin. And I prepped my lips with Vaseline. You know, desert weather is so dry and I really need this every time and everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna prepare my skin with foundation primer from Laura Mercier. You probably think like, why it's so tiny? Because I bought it in a kind of sample size from Convi. If you don't know what Convi is, it's kind of cosmetics website, which is they selling all the cosmetics and with everything you want, not just only cosmetics, like skincare and those stuff, and it's so cheap in Thailand and it's free shipping. Today I'm gonna be using this palette because the only palette I got, and it's really versatile. I have cool toned and red toned and neutral, and mixed between the mattes and glitters or shimmers. So I'm gonna be starting off with Fenty Beauty. I'm using 160. And after I used the brushes, I'm gonna tap like this. Use my warmth of my fingertips to blend that foundation in. Alright, and heart shape tape over here. Face done, skin done. Go to brows. Brows, I am using this thing, Cosluxe. This is so good. It stays on your brows all day and all. It looks a little bit more reddish tone in this one, in the camera, but it's not actually. It's not. We need some concentrations. is a translucent powder. Stays all day, all night. Just let it sit there for a second, and then we're going for the bronzers. And this is real technique. Key for makeup is blend. And then let's tap the excess off. For the sides of the nose, add some definition, like so. For the blush, this is my go-to blush color right there. Color. No harsh lines. Little bit tip of your nose. Yeah. And voila. Ready, set, go! Using eyeshadow as a highlight. Okay, next eyeshadow. Right now I just tight line and with this one from Tarte as well. For my crease, I was using this, because my camera just stopped over here. Using dark purple to, to blend the eyeliner that I just mushed it. Blend, The mascara, Tarte again. And last but not least, the lip. In a shade Brooklyn Thorn Ultra Matte Liquid Lipsticks by Nuri in a shade 905. And voila! This is my finished look for desert in Egypt. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, like and share, and comment in the description below. Hope to see you next video. Bye!